Around excessively overwhelming, indispensable, and exorbitantly outstanding morning to all of you enthusiastic and charming viewers. I am Nikuya Neeraj Kumar Yadav. He is Pankaj, and next one is Rajkumar. And we, as a united friends, and with our teacher Sakil sir, you know about the Sakil sir because Sakil sir is the secretary and the head of Idealize. He is also going to explore in Jew with us. So all the students of Idealize as a spoken batch, you know about the senior spoken batch running at 7 to spoken batch, we are going to explore and visit in Jew. So I think it is a very dynamic and very pleasureful moment for us, and we are going to explore. So definitely you should have to stay tuned in this video.
Hello my dear friends, this is Pankaj Kumar. Today I am going to Jew from Idealize.
Hello guys, hello friends, my name is Rajkumar and I am the student of the Idealize, and we are going to visit a zoo from Idealize with my teacher and my all friends, and this is the very pleasant moment for us. Thank you.
Sir provide opportunity to visit Jew with all friends. That is incredible. That is unforgettable for me and all my friends.
Hey guys, so I and with my friends we are proceeding towards Jew, and we are going to explore Jew. Already I said you, and I think it is going to be memorable and mesmerizing for all of us.
One time I also visited before, I think 4 to 5 years in Kolkata, and I saw a lion. And the condition of lion due to the lackness of proper food, the roar of lion is amazing and it is very charming. But the lion I have seen on Jew, it was looks like a goat.
Yes, thank you my dear friends are there, and lots of students are email and message. Okay, Ratan Tata came in Bihar, and that lot of the problem in present time in Bihar. There are many facing problem. So my dear friends, today I is giving.
But you Ratan Tata, not a common man. That's why I told you must donate, because Ratan Tata not a simple man. They are
Security also called him, and then
I am not a common man. I am Neeraj Chopra. Why you behaving like that?
this is Neeraj Chopra. Thank you Neeraj.
This one behind me is Royal Bengal Tiger. Name of Royal Bengal Tiger, we can say that Panthera tigris, and definitely we can say that Panthera tigris is one of the famous animals, and that looks like animals all over the world. Whatever the animal we are existing nowadays, we are observing nowadays, it is a very dynamic. And we can say that only few of the Panthera tigers available in our India, and we try to conserve it, and nowadays government is also doing lots of things.
After visiting Royal Tiger, we are in the front of White Tiger. That is originally, you can see that Royal Bengal Tiger with a recessive gene that causes lots of pigmentation, and that makes it peculiar from the original Royal Tiger.
And today I am visiting the zoo, and I observed lots of animals in the zoo, and today this is the ostrich, and this is the largest animal, highest bird, but it can't fly, and it's a speed of 20 km per hour, and it is the biggest bird in the planet.
Mine,
Yeah.
there is a Himalayan bear. You can say that the specialty of bear is something different. That it is a unique animal in the world. You can say that it is also the specialty of bears. We can say that it is omnivorous. You can say, and there are 4 types of bears found in India, and it is one of them. And right now I am here, and behind of mine there is Australian. This is Australian, and it is the second most largest bird
after ostrich, and we
Both
can
you
say
can
that the
try,
height
I
of
can
the average height of student emu is 5 feet, and the average weight more than 50 kg. So the average speed of next ostrich is 70 km per hour, but in terms of if you talk about the emu, only 50 km per hour. So this is also largest, second most largest bird exists over the planet. Thank you.
This is Himalayan vulture or Himalayan griffon vulture is an old world vulture native of the Himalayas areas, and second most point, it is listed as near threatened on the IUCN red list. That's why we should try to conserve and preserve such type of animals.
Hello, and right now we are in the restaurant in Zoo, and now we have in front of lots of delicious foods. We can see here paratha, rice, and paneer. Butter paneer is also there, and we have also Rajkumar. Here is Radhe, Manish next to Ratan Tata, and here our fantastic
Director of an Idealized.
Sakil sir is here, and this is of mine. We all are enjoying delicious foods over whatever the delicious food we have ordered. We are enjoying, and we are going to have it.
무궁화 꽃이 피었
Rahini, you must join.
Yeah. Rajkumar, go. Yeah. Yeah. Rajkumar, go, man. Rajkumar, you can join. Rajkumar. And Altaf will also join, I think. No. Never ever dance. You never ever dance, oh my god. Try to. Yeah! Oh my.
Bindas. This is the Bindas dance. Sir, this is called Bindas dance.
Shubham, you can join. Shubham is dancing outside. Yeah, wait, please. You're a... It's a great.
Please remember again this song. Yes. Siraj can join.
Supposed to call to the next dancer, and I think it is a very mesmerizing moment. It is going to be happen because she is going to perform on the best and we consider evergreen song on the Saki Saki, and Rajkumar is going to be endorsed to Richa, and I would like to call Richa. Come Richa. And
Play song play.
Finally, we have came out from the zoo. Now everybody is going to be give their feedback. How was their performance today? Now I am gonna to call first of all Altaf. Please Altaf come. How was your experience today? And thank you Altaf for giving your feedback for today.
allotted here. was, I think, mesmerizing, dynamic, extraordinary, fantastic, fantabulous life.
Now, as everybody has shared their experiences, that obviously was, and I personally felt that this experience that all of people, that includes all members of present here, was incredibly astounding, remarkable, and phenomenal. Indeed, if I talk in a one word, how was this performance today? It is going to be unconceivable. Thank you, everyone. And at the very last, I must call Sakil sir. Please share your experiences with us. How you felt?
Please, sir.
Good or bad? Please, cameraman.
Really, it is a very remarkable, fantastic, fabulous, and awesome trip. I experienced a lot, definitely. I enjoyed a lot with you, Mami. Really, just I energized myself to be with you, Mami. Definitely, honor to reforms, and I got a nice suggestion from different students. Definitely, I'd love to make better in the next trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the guys. Thank you, Shankar.
Thank you, sir. I would like to extremely in-depth thank you for Sakil sir that you have given your precious time to us and you have visited entire zoo with us. Obviously, it will be memorable to all of us. This experience is going to be unconceivable, transcendent, remarkable, astounding, phenomenal, whatever I can say. I am speechless. Thank you, everybody.
Special video you try to shoot. I would like to say something about Sakil sir, because whenever I observe Sakil sir, I got in Sakil sir there are the bunches and bundle of imchu, and every time he emits their imchu for each and every particular people.
It's just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah.
I just wanted to say about that. He is a great deal of energy. I received the energy from
Hello all the energetic, enthusiastic viewers, friends, brothers and their sisters. Again a warm welcome in this video. Prior to delineate or seek a peek on Zoo Day scenario, I would like to bestow my profound and unconditional love and plethora regard with immense thanks from bottom of my heart to this intellectual as well as educational giant Sakil sir for allowing us such a spellbound and fascinating juncture to explore Zoo with teammates and classmates. Of course, it was flabbergastingly mesmerizing and supremely enticable day was. And that a snippet of our life in my consideration, it will be felt as sanguine unanimously till whole life, as far as to maintain indispensable and spectacular environment to talk only in English, to conversation only in English, to entice people and to influence people. In my notion, we were made it feasible as much as we had potential over whole day. Again, I would like to thank all of you.
Out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works.